name is Eran Tamir, and in this session we will talk about the nativeness of Fusion inside OpenShift console. So as you can see, this is my OpenShift cluster. This is a testing cluster, and in this cluster we have Fusion deployed, and we also have the OpenShift Data Foundation deployed as part of that. In this overview of the OpenShift console, you can see the cluster status, control plane status, and so on, and you can also see the storage status, which is enabled because we deployed a data foundation inside. In addition to that, we also have the menu updated, and we have data foundation and additional items that I will cover in a minute. If we'll drill down to the data foundation submenu, you will see here another overview, but this time it's limited only to the storage level, to the data management level that we have here. You can see the data foundation status, and you can see information about the system capacity. You can see also performance information, IOPS, latency, and throughput, and you can also see events, which we aggregate and show the customer as well. So in case of an issue, it will be easy to see that in correlation to everything else that is listed here. If we'll drill down a bit more, we'll see information about our block and file services. Again, we have the status, we have the data resiliency status. So in case of an issue, in case of a node failure, we'll see the impact exactly here. So it's available with all the information, and we'll also see events that relate to that. So we can easily correlate between the events that we are getting in OpenShift console and the actual status of the resiliency. In addition, we can see here information about row capacity. We can see the used capacity based on projects. As you can see, we have a Cloudpack installed here. We can filter it per project. I can also see the pods that are using the data and how much data is used by each one of them. I can see the utilizations in terms of use capacity. I can see the IOPS, throughput, and latency here as well. And of course, I can see inventory. I can see the number of PVCs on the left side, and if there are any additional relevant information in the events, we'll see it here as well. In addition, we have information about our object service. Here you can see that we have 200 megabyte uploaded. You can see a little performance information, and again on the left side you can see another inventory information related just for the object storage. You can also see interesting information about storage efficiency in terms of compression ratio and data saving that we have here. If we look at the left side, in addition to data foundation that we are currently looking at, we have other generic information about storage. We have persistent volumes, we have persistent volume claims, storage classes, and so on. But we also have specific information about our data foundation. In that case, it's object bucket claim, but we can add here anything that is interesting as well for our customers. So with that, I will conclude that session.